Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Are you tired of manually pumping up your stand-up paddleboard? Then you need to get yourself an electric one from TOPUMP. One of the best things about this pump is that you can set it and forget it. So you simply choose how high you want the PSI to go, turn it on, you can walk away, and then it will turn itself off once it reaches that point. I have a 10.5-foot inflatable SUP, and I was able to fill it to the desired PSI, which is between 10 to 15, so fast. I love that not only does it save my arms when I need to inflate it, but it also makes the deflation process so much faster so that I can get my board rolled up and packed away really quickly. I found that a fully charged battery lasted long enough for me to pump up my SUP 5 times and deflate it before I needed to recharge. The unit itself is really solid and well made, and I love that it has a nice carrying handle on the top so that I can move it around easily. And also the display is really easy to read, and this fits inside my SUP bag super smoothly. It has a 2-stage pump process, so when you first start it, it's gonna sound pretty low. It sounds like this. But when it gets to the point where it really needs to start building up pressure, you'll hear the motor sound change. And that indicates that it is in a stronger mode. I couldn't be more pleased with this TOPUMP SUP pump. It saves my arms for when I'm out actually doing paddling, which I really like. You need one if you don't have one, and that's my point of view.